Welcome. Today we're going to tell you all about dry beans. Did you know there are 10 different types of dry beans grown in North Dakota and Minnesota? Black beans, small red beans, white kidney beans, cranberry beans, great northern beans, dark red kidney beans, pinto beans, light red kidney beans, pink beans, and navy beans. There are many different stages of the life of a bean. First, it starts with your bean selection. Second, you're going to need to till the ground and get it ready to plant the seeds. Then you're going to fertilize the beans. Then you have to irrigate the crops. Then you have to control the weeds, diseases, and insects that can affect your crops. Then you're going to harvest the crop. Then you're going to store the bean at a local elevator. Then you have to clean, bag, and ship the beans. Then your beans are shipped to local grocery stores all around. Then, finally, it's time to eat the beans. The ideal planting season for bean farmers is sometime between the middle of May to the beginning of June. Once the beans are in the ground, they're going to need some rain and sun to help them grow to be big, healthy plants. Also, farmers are going to conduct different soil tests to check on the beans and determine how much fertilizer they should be putting on each one. Farmers will apply herbicides to remove weeds from the bean plants. They will then apply insecticides to remove any harmful insects. And finally, they'll apply fungicides that will help protect bean plants from diseases during the summer months in North Dakota. Also, towards the end of August, farmers spray the plants to protect them and dry them out prior to harvesting. Next, it's time to harvest the beans. Sometime between September and October, pending the weather, a farmer will take the beans out of the fields. After the beans are removed and harvested, they're hauled to a local elevator for processing and packaging. After packaging, they're sold to consumers all around the world. Did you know there's 64 bean dealers in North Dakota and Minnesota that purchase beans from our farmers? North Dakota exports 1/3 of dry beans grown here internationally, with Mexico, Dominican Republic, and Haiti being the biggest destinations for our beans. 2/3 of North Dakota beans are eaten right here in the United States. North Dakota accounts for 47% of all of the dry beans in the United States, which is $337 million every year. Do you know beans can be found in many different recipes, such as chili, pancakes, mac and cheese, burritos, bean dip, baked beans, hamburgers, smoothies, soup, hummus, and even brownies? Are you hungry yet? Anything sounding good? Let's go eat some beans.